Do you want to end phone calls by pressing the side button instead of tapping the on-screen end call button? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you use the side button to end calls, giving you another convenient way to hang up. Let me show you how. First, open the phone app. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Answering and Ending Calls. Here, you will find press side button to end calls. You can simply turn the feature on or off. For this example, let's enable it. With this setting, while you are on a call, you can simply press the side button and the call will end immediately without needing to tap the on-screen end call button. However, if you prefer ending calls using the screen control, simply return to this setting and turn this feature off. And that's how you end calls with the side button on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.